What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 6:27 a.m. on Friday the 23rd of June. This is a very late upload, and the day is pretty much already started, as in Friday's trading. But it's always good to still have a look. So yesterday, you can see we dipped down into this daily fair value gap. This blue box delineates a daily fair value gap that I had marked out, and then we traded higher aggressively. That's exactly as I called on Wednesday. So if you go check out that video, you'll see everything and how I came to that conclusion there. We've pushed higher, and now you can see we're starting to run up into what looks like this buy side liquidity resting above there. I've also got marked out on the daily a imbalance here. That's that black box. And then I've also marked out the consequent encroachment off that wick. So these are both targets I'm expecting price to want to draw to. Whether we'll reach that today is another story, but I am expecting the buy side liquidity up there to get tagged. So you can see how bullishly dollar has actually flipped this week, which is quite interesting. And also if we look at the Sunday open, which is over, where is it? Here. Yep, Sunday open is here. You can see our price was trading above. We dipped down, then we traded back above it again. So we're expecting price to want to push higher. And the way that we traded so aggressively through the Sunday opening, again, points to the suggestion that we're likely to want to try and reach for higher prices. Tuesday, Monday. Cool. So I'll jump up to Euro. And you can see how this was Thursday's price action. We traded higher, took out some buy side liquidity, and then aggressively broke lower. Since then, we've traded below this low. This is important because it shows disrespect to bullish PD arrays. So this should now act as a bearish order block. If price is to return to this area, I wouldn't want to see it trade above it. And you can see how we're even today we're starting to aggressively push lower. If we go into the daily, you'll see that I have marked out this rejection block, which is this red box. I'll just type that in now. And I also have the south side liquidity resting below that. But I do doubt price is going to want to reach into the south side liquidity. However, the rejection block seems like a fair target. If we drop down to the 4 hour, we can see again more wicks, a lot of wicks, and this massive order block here. So I'm gonna mark out, well, I'm not even gonna mark out that, to be honest, but I'm expecting price to want to draw into the rejection block as DXY trades higher into this buy side liquidity. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. I haven't really got much to say. I'll obviously have my weekly review on Sunday, and yeah, this week's been pretty good in terms of price action. The reversal on Thursday, quite interesting. I'm gonna have to find out what kind of market profile that is. But yeah, it's been a good week, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Peace.